how's everyone going? So today I'm doing like a celebration mukbang for being on YouTube for 2 years. So it's like a celebration, guys. So I ordered me some Uber Eats, guys. So cause it's raining outside, and I decided I'm gonna Uber eat some food to do my mukbang. So, and I ordered from Rashays. So this is like unboxing my food from Rashays. So I put that there. So I got me a lime mint drink. Looks nice. I haven't had this flavor before. I've had the pink lemonade and all the other stuff, and the mango. So cheers, guys. Ooh, bit bitter, but it's okay because it's a cleanser, right? Cleanser, you know, yeah. So this is what I ordered. Okay, I ordered all these bits and pieces. Oh, guacamole Faye. Did I get the right order? Oh God. So let's see what I got. Okay. Oh, it's like playing a board game. Okay, I go there, you go here, and I go there. No. Okay, we'll see what's in these little boxes. Oh, there we go. It's onion rings. Okay, so I got chips. Yeah. Oh, got me a little salad there. One more little box here. Oh yeah, my sweet potato fries. Now I remember ordered that. I remember ordering this, guys. So yeah, I got chicken fettuccine, guacamole for yummy. Aye. Yeah. Look at that. I got a rack of lamb ribs. Whoa. Didn't get any plates, guys, because I just thought, you know, it's coming in these little boxes, so might as well eat it from where it came. Okay, guys. So this is all from Rashays, guys. All from Rashays. Okay. There's my set of cutleries. So I'm going to do a prayer and then I'm going to eat. I'll have another drink before I start. Anyway, this lamb, rack of lamb. I haven't been to Rashays in a fair while. I remember I used to go there all the time to eat. Well, it feels like it's not cooked properly, but I don't know. But anyway, have some of this. Yeah. Hey guys. Right. It's got a nice sauce. onion rings. Not crunchy. But it's tasty. The sauce for this fettuccine is really nice. Very fortunate to have this. Okay, gotta have some salad, guys. So what do you guys think of the starting of my intro? I picked the colours. I love the colours, the pink and blue. And then I picked the song. I like how it goes, woo! It does sound like a woo, eh? Yeah, simple. Simple and fast. I didn't even know chips was going to come with it. These are really tasty. My mum had fish and chips. My sister bought it from St. Mary's. Let's give this rib a go. Right. Nice saucy. I thought it was raw. I'm a bit cut into it and my knife must be buckaroo. Very nice. I used to eat at Rashays all the time. I think the last time I ate there was a couple of years ago with one of my besties, Wendy Clark. We went there for lunch. Wendy isn't with us anymore. My dear friend passed away. It's sad. She's one of my very, very closest friends in the whole wide world. Guys, so good. It's nice how they have these little drinks. Have another rib. The sauce is really nice too. Falling off the bone. But it's falling off the bone that much as there's nothing on the bone. But that's alright, I'll still eat it. I made sure I wash my hands because I knew there might be some finger looking good. Yeah, the fausi I made with orgalo. I came home And I made my mum a sour tea. A sour cup of tea. And I gave her, and she said they're really nice. And she wanted to know where I got it from. I said I made it. She said, oh, I get poko Faye. And I said, you're the one that told me how to make it. Anyway, it was good to make it for her. This pasta is so good. I like pasta that's still got a bit of, you know, like it's not too overcooked, because it's like it's completely dead. It's completely no good. This one, The feathers, it's tangy. Having Uber Eats is convenient. I saw on the news, current affairs, I think, how, you know how we pay $5 for the delivery? They actually charge 35%, you know, from the people you buy your food from. And they were complaining like they don't, you know, they're losing. I don't know, because of, in the business sense of it, if we were losing, then, you know, we would have stopped. Hey, but I think it's still trying to get their food out. Especially now, when there's not a lot of people going in to eat their food. So tomorrow, May the 1st, it's the first time I uploaded a video on YouTube. So this will be my 2nd year. I thank God for, you know, because I did, the day I wanted to do my video, okay, before I went and made myself soy and everything, because that's what my my first video was 2 years ago, 1st of May. I uploaded on 1st of May, but I ate the food the day before. So, you know what I've done? I asked God, because that's how I do it. I asked God if He approves of me doing, you know, my, oh, hey, wait, I didn't even see that for blind, you know. I asked God, can He please let me know that He approves for me to do the video. With me, if I ask God for something and I get this warm feeling, if I get this warm, relaxing feeling, then I take that as a sign that He said yes. But if I ask God and then I still worry after that, that means He's saying no. No. You don't, God's not there so you can ask for everything. No. You just send praise to God every day, and you thank Him daily. because we're very, very blessed from his love, you know. I know this is going to be like a boring video, but guys, I just want to enjoy the food. So sometimes if you take your time eating the food, you can taste all the flavours. Guys, I want to say thanks to Shani Newton for making the chowder. She really liked it. She said the chowder was to die for. Thank you, Shani. And then I want to shout out Papakura. Everyone in Papakura, if you live in Papakura, shouting you guys out. It's from Yoritana, Lemuelu, William. Okay, so she wanted me to shout out Papakura because that's where she's from. So Papakura, this is a big shout out for you guys. I hope you guys are taking care where you guys are. And then I want to say thank you to, oops, that was a burp, Lorna Brown. Lorna Brown made a whausi for her mum. And it came out really nice, she said. And then she ate it all after sharing it with her mum. It's just like me yesterday when I done the whausi. I allowed everyone to have whatever they wanted from what I made, and then the rest was all mine, and I loved it. I did. Whausi galo is the best whausi. I think anyway. It's childhood memories, guys. When my mum wanted to she wanted to sell whausi back in the days, $5 a tub, and she got us all outside. There was a big tarp on the floor. Everyone had to get out there with graters and grate the galo. And then once I said, "Is my job done?" She goes, "Yeah." I just went, because I was only a teenager, so I took off and went and hung out with my friends, well, the neighbouring kids anyway. So I didn't see how it was made. No. I just knew you had to balu it. Anyway, guys, why I had this mukbang? Because I wanted to say a sincere thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel, and also those who haven't subscribed but they watch. So hey, I'm happy. Thank you so much, guys. This is some lovely food. Hanging out with me, guys. Thank you so much. This food is so delicious now. So I'll see you again in another video. But I hope you guys like my my intro. But for now, I must say, take care, everyone. Love one another. Be careful when you're crossing the road, and don't worry. God will take away this horrible COVID soon, and then everyone can continue on with life as normal. Unfortunately, rest in peace to all those who lost their lives over this stupid COVID. But those who survived it, good on them, you know. And for us that's been isolating, well, we've been very lucky. So always praise God for protecting us and caring for us. But anyway, I'll say goodbye to you guys. This food is so delicious. It's the first time I'm eating out of boxes like this. And I like that I just took my time. If someone says that I'll be boring today, it's just a relaxed day mukbang. Okay? Yeah. Hey, look. Take care. and I'll see you again on my next video when I'm in the mood to talk a lot. I may talk a lot. Anyway, guys, I really enjoyed filming the Falsicado. I was in a happy mood, you know. Even when I finished filming, I still felt so happy, you know. Felt happy, felt blessed, you know. I always feel blessed because I am blessed, you know. But anyway, you guys all take care. Wailua. Be good. Anyway, yeah, guys, so far so forth.